It's Thursday the 7th of June 2018. I'm Eni, aka the Nut Trader, back with another video. This video is going to be a quick recap on my last two pick of the weeks, which were AMAT and Square Inc. Now, as you can see, I've closed out both of these trades because there's no neither of these trades are here. And I'm going to talk to you a little bit about why I closed out of these trades. So let's go to Square. So as you can see straight away, Square's already started downturning, but I closed out quite early, and I made a small amount of profit, but I could have made a bit more if I'd ridden it to the top. But I saw value in another stock, so I closed out my position in Square and I closed out my position in AMAT. Applied Material. So straight away, as you can see, Applied Material has hit its peak and now it started downward trending. So I've closed out to make a small profit, but it wasn't as much as I would have liked, because I should have closed out a little bit earlier, but I did make some profit. But what I realized straight away was that there was more money to be made elsewhere. So let me actually go to my my stock watch list breakdown Excel. This is Excel that I spoke about in my previous video, where I showed how I break down the stocks that I pick and what stocks I picked. So if I open this Excel, you'll get a better understanding. So straight away, you can see I've added some new picks to my pick of the week. I've hidden the old ones. Yeah, these are the old ones, but I only try and keep show the ones that are relevant right now. So let me hide these. So Square was the one that I was in, and we initially said that we were gonna exit at 6400. Where is it? Let's go back to Square quickly. And Square didn't quite reach 6400, but it still got to about 6245 before it started changing direction. So that's still quite a lot of profit. But I saw Wingstop. Now Wingstop, straight away, it really caught my eye, because I wanted to enter at 5138 and exit at 5700. So I set order at 5,000. In reality, I entered it a little bit higher than that. So look at Wingstop. This pattern is a very strong pattern, as you can see, and it hasn't even really reached its full potential. So what I saw, the value I saw in Wingstop was that, for the most part, every time it was upward trending, it would spike up really fast in a short amount of time, and that looked like something that was really interesting to me, because it means that I can make a lot of profit in a short space of time. So if I go to the 1 hour chart. So let's put the ruler here. See if you can see that. That shows that in the space of 4 hours you can go up 453 points. That's a lot of profit in a small amount of time. Let's do this again for another point. Let's say you bought it here and you sold it here. That's 1 day and it went up 646 points. Can you imagine that? Look at that, the amount of profit that you can make. If I put £1 per point, I can make £646 in a matter of 1 day if I bought it here. So as you can see, it had jumps, awesome jumps. So when I saw that it was consolidating around here, it was primed for a spike. So I bought it. If anything, I think I bought it maybe too early or too late, because I bought it at its peak here rather than waiting for it to rebound back to the 15-day EMA. So I bought it at, what was the price that I bought it at? I bought it at 5260 and again at 5314. and then I let it reach 5412. So sure, so with the ruler tool, so in the space of 1 day, it went up 177 points. So there was a lot of profit that I made in a small amount of time. It went up. I think I made about 125 pounds. I did in space of less than 24 hours. So this was just based off of seeing that whenever it was upward trending, it spiked up very rapidly, and I think it still even has more legs, because it's going to be about 5700 where I reckon before it changes direction again. So I bought in, sold out my position, and I'm waiting for it to rebound. It's rebounded again back down, and I don't think it'll reach the EMA line again, but I think it's still got more momentum. So I'm going to probably re-enter into this stock before market close at 9 o'clock. So in this video, basically what I'm saying is that even though I had my 2 pick of the weeks, which are AMAT and Square, I saw value in another stock that was upward trending and moving at a faster rate. So I closed my position and entered the new one. So don't feel tied down to the trades that you have, especially if you're in a position where you're in positive territory. So if you're in the green in a trade, exit your position if you find a better trade that can make you more yield in a short space of time. Because at the end of the day, the name of the game is money, isn't it? It's money at the end of the day. So be able to pivot if possible. Now, as you can see here, gains today 219.20. So I made 200 quid in 1 day, and this is just based off of changing my trades. But even with that being said, I'm still going to be tracking my picks of the weeks based off of where it's hit and what profits or losses it would have made if you had closed out at its highest point. So what have I done? In the coming, so hopefully I'll be able to fill out AMAT and Square on what profits would have been made under the assumption that £1 per point was placed on every trade. Sometimes I place more than £1, sometimes I place less, but this is going to be on the assumption that £1 per point was placed on the bet. So I just thought I'd make that video because I wanted to let you know why you might not see me, why my 2 picks of the weeks I closed out of these trades, not because they were going against me or anything, but it's more so because I saw value in another stock. And to be honest, actually let me do this now. I'm going to enter another position in Wingstop because I feel like it's still got more legs to go up. So you watching me live trade here, guys? All right, let me place an order. Yeah, I'm gonna place an order. Yeah, I'll place an order here. I'll put my stop loss around. Put my stop loss around here. Put my limit. I'll be quite reserved. I'm gonna put my limit around here. I'm sure it'll probably even go higher than this. But yeah. So yeah, so the R to R there would probably be about 1.3 or something like that. I don't know. Let's get the calculator out and find out. So the risk to reward ratio would be .2. Yeah, I was close. 1.26, which is manageable, which is good. So hopefully it'll rally up and then you'll see it hit that point. So at least you see me enter this trade live right now. Well, not live because I'm going to post this later, but it's 8:39 when I made this trade, and hopefully in the next coming days, maybe next week, it will hit this point. So that's sometime next week. So yeah, this is Any Not Trader signing out. Bye.